today I'm going to be taking you around my workshop, like to show you what I do every day. It's just going to be a short video, like introducing my job to you guys. This is actually the shop, so we're going to move in. I'm just going to show you the sections, the jobs we do, from mechanical to electrical to AC to spraying. It's going to be a short introduction video. So okay, we are now going into the garage. This is my garage. This is my workplace. This is what I do every day. I'm walking towards actually the spray booth. This is where we spray cars. As you can see, there's a car inside. Oh, it's just not so clear. I would have just gone inside to show you guys the will come out. There's a car inside that's trying to spray, so it's definitely not so clear. If they're done, I'll show you the end product of the car. Yeah. That's my boss and my colleague. Yeah, I'm talking to my boss. Okay, lose again. Yeah, what Korea? She's saying hi. My colleague. Okay, I'm going to introduce my staff to you guys. Okay, this is actually, you've actually met my boss. This is the person following me at the back, one of the administrators. Yeah. Then who again? So let's meet the other ones, my colleagues. Yeah. So this is actually the chief. This is the chief engineer. This is, hey, say hi.
Hi.
This is the chief engineer, the supervisor. He's actually dark. Okay, you can see him right here. Okay, you can see him right here. Yeah. This one here is the AC man. When you come, if your AC is spoiled, just come. Yeah, the guy body can go. This one is actually the last one of the company. He's my spray painter, spray guy. The other one is right inside there doing a job. Some other persons are not here, so I'm just going to take you people around. Yeah, so guys, we've come to the end of this video. This is like an introduction video of what I do. This is my job. This is what I do for a living. This is the woman I've become. This is what gives me joy every day. Like, I wake up in the morning, I want to go to work. This is actually a field they have mainly guys. It's very difficult. Well, that's not difficult, but there's a lot of competition in this job. It's just something, but it's just something I love doing, and I'm doing it. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel to get more information about how I run this workshop, like how I technically I've been running this workshop for over 7 years. Yeah, 2013 till now. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel and get more information about this workshop. See you guys in my next video. Bye.